What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Ripple with some more big news. Now, a lot of people know about this, but I'm going to go a little bit more into detail so you can fully understand how big this actually is when it comes to Ripple. This is a massive piece of news for Ripple joining the ISDA. What does it mean? Are we going to expect a price pump on the back of it? And are you making your money in cryptocurrency? Well, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on in the markets. And with that being said, let's get into this breaking news. So Ripple joins BlackRock and JP Morgan as members of leading trade association ISDA. And that is what people will tell you today. If you're looking at XRP news over on crypto YouTube, this is what people are going to tell you. And it is a big deal, okay? It is a big deal. I'm not going to take anything away from this news. We said Ripple joins industry giants BlackRock and JP Morgan at the Trade Association ISDA, signaling a strategic move into derivatives and blockchain integration in TradeFi. And this is kind of the whole encompassing of XLM, XRP, and XDC into this TradeFi derivatives blockchain element. It's super exciting. We see San Francisco-based blockchain company Ripple has joined the prestigious trade organization International Swaps and Derivatives Association. And we see that a well-known XRP influencer, Crypto Eri, took to Twitter to announce the development, highlighting the significance of Ripple's alignment with the ISDA. And there you go. That was that tweet there that came out. What I want to tell you about is who is actually part of this, who sits on a position of power within the ISDA. And actually, when you start to go through this, it's even bigger than I think a lot of people are letting on. So we see here that we have BlackRock Managing Director of Global Fixed Income, Jack Hatton. He is part of this. And as we come down the list, you'll just see a lot. And more importantly, banking institutes, financial institutions, and equally people that we know would really benefit from Ripple. So you can see there we have JP Morgan, Credit Suisse, AXA Investment Managers, CME Group, Goldman Sachs, RBC Capital, HSBC Bank, London Stock Exchange, DBS Bank. We have ISDA Chief Executive, Standard Chartered Bank, and we already know that Ripple has partnered up with them previous. It does, however, continue Bank of America, BP, Deutsche Bank, BNP Paribas, and Barclays. Huge people in the financial sector that absolutely is where Ripple is heading. We know that they're in talks already, and all of a sudden it comes like this. This for me is a huge piece of news that people just seem to be passing over. This is massive. We now have Ripple at the same table as all of the big banking players, equally big financial institutes, and people like BP as part of that. This is absolutely insane. If you think about that, they are all global companies who could really use small feed, high speed transactions from XRP. It's super exciting. I think it's very, very fantastic news that we see that. And whenever they're all on the table, don't forget, whenever they're talking about whether to integrate XRP, they all check out DeFi Coffee. I've partnered up with these guys to bring you a 10% discount on your order if you use the code 2BitCrypto10. They have some fantastic coffee blends. They are actually on my channel on Tuesday night to talk everything crypto and coffee, but they are based out of Las Vegas. They use local growers and source fantastic coffee beans to bring you the best coffee for all of your cryptocurrency investments. You can pair with cryptocurrency, you can pair with fiat. Head on over to the website. The link is in the description, so you can check out DeFi Coffee and see what they are all about. Now, a lot of people have been asking me today, well, 2Bit, all of this great news that's coming out about XRP, why is the price dumping? Well, ultimately what we're seeing is whales exiting. We're seeing things like Shiba Inu run today. We're seeing Bitcoin at a pretty good price. So people are taking their profits. Bear in mind, we are still significantly up from pre-court case announcement. But what we do know is whales were selling, and whales have been selling in significant value. What it does give us is an opportunity, in my opinion, for either someone to DCA in if they bought a little bit too high. Equally, for open up an opportunity for people to buy back into the market. So we did get a couple of whales sell, in particular this one, which we saw a big decline. We'll see it in a minute. Sold $7.5 million worth of XRP, over 12 million coins, about 9 hours 46 minutes ago. If we take a look at the price, here we go. This was the dump that we got. We have found some consolidation on this lower 6.14 level. Again, keep an eye on what we do. Looking for a bounce off the 7 on the 1 hour chart here, but that's fundamentally what happens. And we have seen quite a few sells coming through. About 3 hours ago, we saw about another 3.8 million, 8 hours, 3.8 million. We obviously saw that 7.5 million and then a few yesterday. So we do know that it's whales that are selling. Whales are moving, repositioning, looking to maybe get better positions as opposed to the retail investor. Now we are in the weekend, which is always a bit more of a challenging day. However, our Sundays tend to be slightly better than our Saturdays. We found consolidation, this 6214 level. We'd like to see this push back up. 6408, 6589 will be looking great to bounce off the 100 EMA and start to move up. RSI trending about in the middle. We do want to see some volume coming back in. The crypto market at the minute doesn't really know what it wants to do. There is still a lot of discussion and a lot of fear around the fact that the XRP court case. Again, go and watch my video that I dropped yesterday talking specifically about the outcomes and the common misconceptions with XRP right now. I, for one, though, am pretty bullish on XRP. I think the fact that it's with the ISDA and all of those big institutions is a huge boost, and I think it's only a matter of time until they start to integrate or even explore the avenue of XRP being used in those situations. And the minute that happens, get ready, because we're going to $10 a coin. As ever, thank you so much. Let me know in the comments down below, who do you think Ripple partners up with first? What banking or financial institution do you want to see Ripple partner up first? I'm very interested to know. And as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Smash a like. It does support the channel. It gets this news out that everybody needs to see. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.